How to buy Bitcoin with Google Play gift cards. Step 1. Sign up CoinCola account. You can sign up with phone number or email address. Don't forget to fill the referral code if you have one. Step 2. Log in your CoinCola account. Step 3. Visit gift card trade page. Step 4. Select Google Play gift card. Step 5. Select vendor. Based on your fiat currency, acceptable rate and vendor's rating to select the available vendors. Step 6. Make the order. Read carefully the message of the offer and make sure you go through all of the trading terms. Enter carefully the gift card amount you want to trade, then click Buy Now. Step 7. Confirm the info of your order. Chat with the vendor and upload the image in the chat box. Step 8. Once you upload the card, make sure you click Mark as paid. Step 9. Wait for the vendor releasing Bitcoin. Step 10. Check your Bitcoin in your OTC wallet account.